Many of the trails we use today started off as wildlife trails and were then established by Native Americans and later by Euro-American explorers and pioneers. Here, the Oregon Coast Trail winds up and over mighty Tillamook Head, following the Native American route taken by Lewis and Clark more than 200 years ago when they went to see a beached whale at Ecola. When word reached Fort Clatsop that a whale had beached, Sacagawea was determined to see it and the ocean. She observed that she had traveled a long way with us to see the great waters, wrote William Clark. And now, that monstrous fish was also to be seen. She thought it very hard that she could not be permitted to see either. Clark thought it was a modest request and let her join the expedition to the whale. In early January 1806, William Clark and at least 12 others, including Sacagawea, trekked south along this shoreline and climbed over Tillamook Head. They were heading to today's Cannon Beach to purchase the meat of a beached whale for food. Of the view from the top, Captain Clark wrote, "I behold the grandest and most pleasing prospect which my eyes ever surveyed." Jesus. That is a fat salmonberry. That's got to be called pancake fungus. It's all juicy. That's right. This was my destination all along. Tillamook Head Emergency Services staging area. Okay, this is the top of Clark's Mountain, 1,253 feet above sea level. Whoa. weird walk back. I mean, it's fun. But it seems like I've been going downhill forever. Hey, that sucker is full. It's expired. Raw expired kombucha. All right, here we go. I researched it. It's a very controversial subject. It's raw kombucha. It's expired and it's supposed to be refrigerated at all times, and I found it out here on Clark's Mountain. But I researched it, and it looks like if there was a problem, if it got too warm, it would have exploded. And it said it might have extra fermentation. It might continue to ferment if it's not refrigerated. Anyway, let's see. It looks good, but don't want to get drunk. I wonder how long it's been here. Ooh. It smells vinegary. It's pretty nasty, man. Oh! No, I'm gonna pour it out and at least take the bottle out of here, but